Meaning of fame.
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 Fame. Fame refers to the state of being widely recognized or celebrated for one's achievements, talents, or actions. It can be achieved through various means, such as media exposure, public appearances, or social media presence. While fame can bring benefits such as social recognition and financial success, it can also come with drawbacks, including loss of privacy, increased scrutiny, and pressure to maintain a certain image. Ultimately, whether fame is positive or negative depends on how an individual handles it and what they value in life.